Hello dear students, these questions came straight away in the NEET 2026. The question belongs to the mechanics, especially motion in 1D. But the question is, consider a particle moving a straight line whose position as a function of time is given by st equal to alpha t square minus beta t plus gamma, where alpha and beta and gamma are this much. You have to find the average speed of the party from or in the time of 0 to 6 seconds. See, the equation is St is equal to alpha t square minus beta t plus gamma. And since alpha beta are given, so after putting these value, this will be t square minus 6t plus 5. So St means position versus time equation is given as a this much. This question can be solved in a two ways. First, through a graphical method. I'm plotting a graph. So first method is graphical method. See, in graphical method, what we are doing, I'm plotting a graph for velocity versus time. So for velocity, I'm differentiating this value. So if st is this much, in that case, vt will be 2t minus 6. So equation is Vt equal to 2t minus 6. For t equal to 0, velocity will be minus 6. And for t equal to 3 seconds, the velocity will be 0. And for t equal to 6 seconds, velocity will be 6. So ultimately, this is, you suppose this is your point. And here it is like this one. So for t equal to 3 seconds, velocity is 0. For t equal to 6 seconds, velocity is 6. So we have to find basically what? Average speed. Average speed means average speed is V average. V average is total distance traveled upon time taken. Since this is a VT graph, so if I'm finding a distance, then it it will find out through the area of this section and this section. So area of this section will be, this is a triangle shape. So 1 by 2 into minus 6 into 3, that will be minus 9. And area of this section will be same 1 by 2 into 6 into 3, 9. Since we have to find the average speed, not velocity, so we'll consider these as a positive. So total distance will be 18 meter and time is 6 seconds. So average speed will be 3 meter per second. So answer 3 will be answer. Option third will be your answer. See, there is another simple calculation method. Calculation means a logical reasoning method where you can do this question in a very simple way. Second method. In a logical way, you can do this question. See, equation is St equal to 2 square, t square minus 6t plus 5. So at t equal to 0, when t is 0, in that case, the body, if this is your origin, the body will be at 5 seconds, 5 meter. In the t equal to 1 second, the body will be at, if I'm putting t in this equation as a 1, so 1 plus 5, 6 minus 6 is 0. Means particle at 0 second is at the distance of 5 meter, but at 1 second it is at the origin. At 2 second, if I'm putting t, so at this is at your t equal to 1 second. So at t equal to 2, 4 plus 5 minus 6. It will be at 4 plus 5, 9 minus 12, minus 3 at t equal to 2 seconds. And similarly at t equal to 3 seconds, the particle will be at, if I am putting t equal to 3, then it will be 9 plus 5, 14 minus 18, minus 4 meter. In that, if I am putting t equal to 4, so it will be t equal to 4, 16 plus 5, 21 minus 24. That will be minus 3. This means particle will again at minus 3 when time is your 4 second. At 5 second, it will be 25 plus 530 again at 0. Particle is again returning t equal to 5 and t equal to 6 second, particle will at the same position again. So the motion is like particle start from this position, it goes to origin. So 5 meter is this one. Again, it goes to minus 4 meter. So 4 distance is this one. Again, particle is returning from this position to origin. So 4 meter this one. And then again, at the 6 second, particle is at 5. So the total distance it traveled, the total distance traveled by the particle is 5 plus 4, 9 plus 4 plus 5, 18 meter. 18 meter by 6. So velocity will be 3 meter per second. So this is a logical method. Through equations, you can find the particle distance traveled, total distance traveled, and then ultimately find the average speed formula, that is total distance upon time, total time taken. And another way is through a graphical method. So both of the method can be used to find the average speed in this question.